So teachers, today we are going to see lesson number 2, polynomials from class 9. This are some which we are going to discuss, that is polynomial, term, variable, coefficient, constant and degree of a polynomial. These are subtopics which we are going to discuss it. So the very first thing is, what is polynomial? Now, polynomial is an expression or an algebraic expression having more than two terms. That is called as a polynomial. That is the only definition of it. Now, the thing is, what is algebraic expression and what are terms that we have to see, and what are the things involved into polynomial that we are going to see. But the definition is the values, the algebraic expression having more than two terms. So this is polynomial, which is done. Then we'll go to the next thing, that is term. What is term? So now here this is a product a into x plus the sum of the product of the term values are called as the terms. So this can be called as one term, this can be called as the second term. Here ax square is the first term, bx is the second term, c is the third term, which is being separated by the addition or subtraction sign. So these are the values and these are called as terms. So here it has 4 terms, it has 3 terms, it has 2 terms. So this is all about term. Then we'll go to variable. What is variable? Generally we use variable as x, y and z, but sometime you may see in the questions that they are using t, q, p, anything that they can use, but generally we are using x, y and z in that form. So in this expression you can see this x is a variable, this x square and x are variables. Here are two variables, here is only one variable. Pardon, I'm extremely sorry, not two variables. One variable is there 2 times and this is a one variable. Here there is one variable but it is 3 times in a particular equation. Alright, so these are the variable, these are called as variables. So it is also done. Then we'll go for coefficient. We will see what is coefficient. Coefficient is nothing but you can call it as a friend of variable. Variable's friend. It is called as a variable's friend, which will always be there with the variable. So we have to see, for coefficient we have to see the variable. So here what is the coefficient in this expression? In this expression only the one variable is there, that is x. So the coefficient of x will be a. But here there are one variable, but one is x square and other one will be x. And in the third equation you can see there is x cube, x square and x in that form. So these are the variables and we will see the coefficient of that. So that is, here what is the coefficient of x cube, that is a. What is the coefficient of x square, that is b. Coefficient of x, that is c. Here also coefficient of x square a and coefficient of x is b. So that is all about the coefficient. So that is done. Then we'll go for constant. Constant is nothing but a natural number or a real number, you can say, that can be used as a number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this b, c and d stands for the constant term, which is not at all related to variable or which is not with variable, or it will be alone, all alone. So that is constant term. That is also done. Then we'll go for the degree of a polynomial. Now what is degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial. For degree of a polynomial we have to see the power of variable. So let us see the power of variable and then we will discuss about the degree of polynomial. So here what is the power of variable? Variable is x, and what is that power? Nothing, that means 1. So here the power of variable is 1. Here what is the power of the variables? There is one variable, but one is x square and the other one is only x. So what are the power of that? Here 2 is there and here 1 is there. Then in the third equation you will see the power of the variable x cube is 3, that means 3, and here x, that is 2, here x is 1. So you can see that in all the 3 equations, in the first equation only one power is there, so we cannot compare, so that will be the degree. So here degree is 1, and then in this second equation you have got 2, 1 and so on. 2 for x and this x 1. So therefore you have 2 and 1. So we will see the highest among this. Which is the highest? 2. Here which is the highest? 3. So that highest particular exponent or power will be called as degree. So here 1 is the degree, 2 is the degree, and 3 is the degree. So that will be called as degree of a polynomial. So this is also done. We have seen polynomial terms, variable, coefficient, constant, and degree of a polynomial. This can be mentioned as, this will be coefficient, this is power, or you can say degree, this is called as a variable, this is called as constant. So these are the things involved into particular polynomial. These are very basics. With the help of this we can solve the exercise problem. Thank you.